Modern science serves us with a draft of the stunning history of the planet Earth. Humans play just since a short while an active part on it. Challenging is the vast amount of information we receive every day and moment. We become aware that we have a relevant impact on life and Earth. Given awareness invites us to improve our ability to respond adequately in this exceptional, beautiful, still life-enabling world. A series of 3 6-days taking workshops offers stepping into, first, the base, designing future. Second, the add-on, self-love. Third, the aim, action. In designing future, we first create shelter and security. This to step into unburdened presence and to come to our true self. Well prepared, we are deeply listening to the faint whisper of the possibilities the future holds. To be elected and transformed into sound action embodied through us. We become witness of a social sculpture being formed by an art. We share the insight and take advantage of an evolutionary milestone, designing future.